Here I have Realme 9 Pro Plus, and today I'm going to show you how to add fingerprint on this device. So to do this, firstly you have to open settings, then you have to go to the passwords and security, then fingerprint. So firstly what you have to do is to set up lock screen password. You can select if you want to set numeric password, pattern, or alphanumeric. I'm just gonna select enter the most basic PIN, 4 digits. So here you enter your PIN, then you confirm it. Then you have to place your finger on the fingerprint sensor right here and tap it with your finger several times, so it will remember your fingerprint. And it's done. And now you can, for example, unlock your device with your fingerprint without entering any PIN code, just by scanning your fingerprint, and your Realme will be instantly unlocked, just like this. So yeah, and that's it. Thanks for watching. If you find this tutorial useful, don't forget to hit that like button and subscribe to our channel.